Hi students, here we have to find the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. So here students, let's draw the graph, okay, of circle. So here will be students, uh, let this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is origin. Okay, so here students, by the equation of circle, we get center of circle is equal to 0 0 and radius r is equal to a. Okay. So now we draw the circle here students. Here will be okay. Now let's the point of intersection be A, B, C and D. Okay, so here the coordinate of B is equal to A0, here will be 0A and here minus A0, here 0 minus A. Okay, so here for finding the area of the area enclosed by the circle, here students, the region AOBCA is symmetrical to region AOBD. So here students, if we will find the area of the region AOBCA and multiplied by 2, then we will get the area enclosed by the circle. So here students, we can so we will find the area of the region AOBCA. This part is here students, this part we have to find the area and multiply by 2 for getting area enclosed by the circle. So here students, we can write it, area is equal to, therefore area is equal to 2 into area of the region AOBCA. Okay, so here students, 2 into area of the region AOBCA is equal to integration from here the limit is students minus a to a. So here we can write integration from minus a to a and y dx. Here students, since the equation of circle is here, x square plus y square is equal to a square. This implies y square is equal to a square minus a square. This implies y is equal to plus minus under root a square minus x square. So students, here y is equal to under root a square minus x square. Okay, and this is y is equal to minus under root a square minus x square. Okay, so here we will take the positive value of y. So here students, we can write here is equal to 2 into integration from minus a to a, y is equal to under root a square minus x square dx. Okay, so here since students here a square minus x square is an even function, because a square minus x square does not change when we put x is equal to minus x here. So here a square minus x square is an even function, so we can write it here 2 into integration from 0 to a under root a square minus x square dx. Students, here we have already discussed the formula here. So since here the function a square minus x square is an even function, okay. So now 2 into 2 is 4, and we know that students the integral of under root a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 into under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, sin inverse x by a from 0 to a. Now students, the value of this part will be here 4 into here students a square minus a square is 0, so this part will be 0 here. Now here a square by 2 sin inverse a by a is equal to 1, okay. Now minus this part will be here students, the when we put x is equal to 0, this part will be 0 here. Now here students a square by 2 sin inverse 0 by a is equal to 0. Now equal to 4 into a square by 2 into the value of sin inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2, and this part will be the sin inverse 0 is equal to 0 here, so this part will be 0. So here will be a pi a square by 4 is equal to 4 into pi a square by 4. This 4 and this 4 will be cancelled, so is equal to pi a square, which is the required area of the region bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here students, you can find the area of region OBCO and multiplied by 4, then you will get the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. So you can find for taking this, after taking this region. So seek to find and watch this video carefully. Thank you so much.